Let's get started on our last two warm-ups for this week. So today, the table shows the number of people who went to the mall each day. Which statement is true based on the table? So I've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I've got the number of people that went to the mall on those days. So let's start by looking at our answer choices. An even number of people went to the mall on Saturday. Okay, and then an even number, odd, odd. So I'm talking about even and odd numbers. Remember that even numbers are numbers that can be divided equally into groups. We start like dividing by 2. So 4 is an even number. I can divide it into equal groups. Odd means if I divide it into groups, I'm going to have something left over. There's going to be one that may not be able to fit into a group, or 2 or 3. So if I've got like 3 stars, I can't evenly divide that by 2 people. Okay, I'm going to have that 1 star left over without cutting it in half. So let's think about, how do we know we can determine larger numbers? How do we determine whether they're even or odd? Well, we look at the last digit, and the last digit will tell me if the whole number is even or odd. So thinking about your even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So our odd digits, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so we can use the last digit in the number to determine whether the whole thing is even or odd. Okay, so let's look here. Thursday, 327. 7 is an odd number, so this one's odd. Let's look at Friday, 684. 4 is even. 729. 9 is odd. 503. Okay, that one is odd. All right, so now let's look at our choices. An even number of people went to the mall on Saturday. So look at Saturday, 729. And I know that that one is odd, so get rid of this answer choice. An even number of people went to the mall on Sunday. Okay, Sunday is 503. And we determined that was odd. An odd number of people went to the mall on Thursday, which is 327. Friday, 684. And Sunday, 503. Well, 503 is odd, 327 is odd. What about 684? What do we say? That one's even. An odd number of people went to the mall on Thursday. Odd. Saturday, odd. And Sunday, odd. So D is my best choice on that one. All right. And our next one. Sam bought 6 packages of tortillas. Each package had 12 tortillas. His family ate 15 tortillas at dinner last night. How many tortillas does Sam have left? Okay, so let's think about, what is this story? Who's it about? And what's happening? Picture the package of tortillas. He bought 6 packages. Package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for each package, each one of these had how many? 12. So this one has 12. This one has 12. This one has 12. When I'm able to keep adding in the same equal groups, what am I talking about? Okay, so thinking about that. Do I have a total, or am I looking for a total? I need to find out how many tortillas he had. Okay, so let's start with that. So I've got 12 in each package, and I've got 6 groups of those 12. 12 times 6. Go ahead and solve that one. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. I can regroup. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. You could have also broken it down into its value, so 10 and 2. And I know that 10 times 6 is 60. And I know that 2 times 6 is 12. And I would put those two together. So 60 plus 12 gives me 72. Now notice there are no answer choices here. And a lot of times you'll start writing 72 in. Stop. Think about what I asked. Did we answer the question? We did all this beautiful math, but did we answer the question? How many tortillas does Sam have left? Well, I just figured out how many tortillas he has. I don't understand what's happening here. So let's go back in our story. I did the 6 and the 12. 6 packages with 12 in each one. I did that. Check. That's 72. His family ate 15 of them. What am I going to do now? I'm going to take my total that I found and I'm going to subtract what we ate. So this was a multi-step problem. I need to do more than one step to solve it. So 72, take 15 away. Pause the video, give this one a try. All right, so if I subtract, I notice I don't have enough ones, so I'm going to regroup. And this becomes 12. 12, take 5 away. 7. And 6, take 1 away. Should leave me with 57. What's a way that I can check to make sure that that's right? I can take my 2 parts. So I can take 57 plus 15 and put them together. 7 plus 5 is 12. And regroup 5, 6, and 7. So now I have that total that I started with. So my best answer choice is 57. Always, 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 before you bubble in an answer or recircle it, stop and ask yourself, did I answer the question? Go back and look at it. Make sure. Because we can have a lot of math happening and we still not have answered the question. Super proud of you guys. Have a great day.